Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, as you all know that Accenture on-campus hiring for 2026 batch is ongoing, and in this particular video I will be discussing the latest pseudocode questions which were asked in Accenture on-campus exam. Guys, make sure that you are watching this video till the end because each and every question is important for you. I have tried to cover different type of questions which can be asked from you in your exam. Okay, so guys, before moving ahead, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for this channel and do join this Telegram group. It's dedicated for 2026 batch students. And guys, you please mention in the comment section that when is your Accenture exam and for which company and for which topic you want more videos on this channel. I will be happy to make them. But make sure to write in the comment section before moving ahead. So guys, now let's start this video.
Okay, so guys, let's start these pseudocodes. So the first pseudocode here is we are given three integers. We are given A, we are given B, we are given C. Okay, so what is the value of A initially? It is 2, B is 6 and C is 8. A becomes 10 plus 9 plus C. So now the updated value of A is 10 plus 9, that is 19. It is plus C. So the value of C is 8. So 19 plus 8 is 27. So now A has become 27. Okay. So A has become 27. Next we will check if our C plus B is greater than A minus C. So what is our C plus B? C plus B is 14. Is it greater than A minus C? So A minus C is 27 minus C is 20, 27 minus 8 is 19. Okay, so is this condition successful? So the answer is no, it is not successful. So since it is not successful, what we will do? We will be coming out of the if condition. We will not be going inside the if condition. Okay, and then we will printing A plus B plus C. So what is A now? It is 27. What is B now? It is 6. What is C now? It is 8. So what does total becomes? 27 plus 6 is 33. 33 plus 8 is 41. So this is our output of this particular pseudocode. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move towards the next pseudocode. Okay, so guys, the next pseudocode is what will be the output of the following pseudocode for A0, B2 and C10. So A is given as 0, B is given as 2, C is given as 10. So let's just do line by line. So first of all, B is equivalent to 7 plus A. So B has now been equivalent to 7 plus A, that is 0. So it is equivalent to 7. So now B has now become 7. Okay, so B has now become 7. Next is A. Now the value of A is getting updated to A plus C plus A. Okay, so A is now becoming, it is modifying to A plus C. What is currently A? 0 plus C. What is C? It is 10 plus A, that is 0 only. So what has now it become? It has become 0 plus 10, 10, 10 plus 0 is 10, 10 only. Okay, so now the value of updated A becomes 10. Okay, so A is now become 10, B has now become 7. Next is again B value is getting updated on this line. You can see on this line. So B value is again getting updated. So B is equivalent to B plus B, that is 7 plus 7 plus C. So plus C is 10. So what has now it become? So 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 10 is 24. So now B value has now become 24. Okay, so B value has now become 24. Okay, next is C is equivalent to 1 plus B. So C is now becoming 1 plus 24, 1 plus B, that is 25. Okay, so now what it has become? It has become 25. Next is return A plus B plus C. So 10 plus 24 plus 25, 49. 49 and 59 is our output for this particular pseudocode. Okay, so I hope now this pseudocode is clear to you. So now let's move towards the next pseudocode.
Okay, so guys, before moving ahead, I would like you to know that on our top mid page of Code Bashers, we have Accenture exam preparation material. So guys, any section that is coming in your Accenture exam, we have got that section covered here. So for all these sections previously asked, actual questions are there for the Accenture. So this particular material will contain common application MS Office MCQs, pseudocodes, network security MCQs, computer network MCQs, cloud fundamentals, coding questions which were previously asked in Accenture, SQL coding questions which are getting recently asked in Accenture, computer fundamental MCQs. For each and every section, we have at least 100 plus previously asked actual MCQs of that particular section. If I will show you the sample of, let's suppose, the Accenture coding PDF, you can see we have the proper question, we have the explanation of that question, and we have the correct answer, correct code for it. Similarly, in the SQL also, we have the proper question, we have the proper schema and the correct answer query for that particular question. Similarly, if I will open the common application MS Cloud questions, so in that also we have the proper question, options and correct answer for it. So if you are preparing for Accenture exam, the best way is to by preparing by the previously asked questions only. So if you are interested, then the link of this material is in the description box, and there is a discount of 20% for first 100 students. Okay, so the link you can find in the description box. Now let's continue with the video.
Okay, so the next pseudocode is we are given again three variables. So PP is given, okay, QQ is given, and then RR is given. So what are their values initially? 0, 6 and 7. So first of all, PP becomes RR plus PP. So PP has become RR plus PP. So RR was 7 plus PP was 0 only. So it has now become 7. So if you will talk about total, so total now it has become 7. Okay. Next is PP is again updated to RR and for XOR RR. So this is the confusing part. So now PP has become RR, but is RR 7 and 4, and then XOR with RR. What is the current RR? Current RR is 7. So 7, first of all, 7 and 4. So these are bitwise operators, so you must know. So first of all, let's write binary. Let's just solve this. Let's write 7 in the binary form. So 7 in the binary form will be 1 1 1. Okay, three ones will be there in the 7. Okay, and 4 in the binary form will be 1 0 0. So we are doing AND operation in them. So this will become 1, this will become 0 0. So total value will become 4. So 7 and 4 now becomes 4 only. Okay, 7 and 4 now become 4 only. Okay, let's just remove this. Now we will do 4 XOR 7. So 4 XOR 7 we will do. So 4 again, let's just write in binary. This is, and again 7 also will write in this. So in XOR we know that 0 and 1 become 1, 0 and 1 become 1, 1 and 1 become 0. Okay, so now it has become 3 only. So 4 and 7 XOR is 3. So PP has now become 3. So PP value has been again updated to 3 only. Okay, so I hope till here it is clear to you. These are bitwise operators and you must know all about them. Okay, when XOR happens, when what happens. Okay, so next is if. Now next is the if condition. So if QQ and PP and RR, so QQ 6 and PP is 3 and RR is 7, okay, is less than RR and QQ, RR 7 and QQ. So and QQ, that is 6. So now again we have to do these uh, bitwise operations. Okay, so let's just write 6 in the binary form, it will be 1 1 0. 3 in the binary form, it will be 0. So 7 in the binary form, it will be 1 1 1. So and operator, and operation between these three will give us 0 1 and will become 0. So 0 only. 1 1 1 0 1 0 has come, so this will give us 2. So let's just write 2 here. Okay, so 2 here we will write, and 7s or 6, 7 and 6 what it will give. So 1 1 1 7 and 6, 6 is 1 1 0. So 0 1 1 it will give us 6 only. So 7 and 6 will give us 6 only. So is 2 less than 6? So yes, 2 is less than 6. So then this if condition will run, that is the internal if condition will run. Now what is that if condition? Let's just quickly erase this and move towards the next if condition. So next if condition is if QQ XOR PP. So QQ 6, if 6 XOR PP is 3 is less than RR plus QQ. RR plus QQ, that is 7 plus 6. So 6 XOR 3 we have to find. So 1 1 0, 3 is 1 1 0. Okay, XOR 0 1 will become 1, 1 1 will become 0, 0 1 will become 1. So this will be what it will be. It will be 5. So 6 XOR 3 is 5. So 5 is less than 5 is less than 13. Okay, so is 5 less than 13? So yes, 5 is less than 13. So then our RR will get updated. So then our RR will get updated to 3 plus 1 XOR PP. So what will be RR? Let me just calculate it again. So RR will be updated to 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 XOR PP. PP is now 3. So 4 XOR 3 will be 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, so it will become 1, it will become 1, it will become 1, it will be 7. So 4 or 3 will become 7. So it means RR is now again updated to 7 only. And in the end, what we are doing, we are returning PP plus QQ plus RR. So 3 plus 6 plus 7 we are returning. So 9 plus 7 is 16. So 16 is the final answer. Okay, I hope this pseudocode is also clear to you.
Okay, so guys, before moving ahead, I would like you to know that on our top mid page of Code Bashers, we have Accenture exam preparation material. So guys, any section that is coming in your Accenture exam, we have got that section covered here. So for all these sections, previously asked actual questions are there for the Accenture. So this particular material will contain common application MS Office MCQs, pseudocodes, network security MCQs, computer network MCQs, cloud fundamentals, coding questions which were previously asked in Accenture, SQL coding questions which are getting recently asked in Accenture, computer fundamental MCQs. For each and every section, we have at least 100 plus previously asked actual MCQs of that particular section. If I will show you the sample of, let's suppose, the Accenture coding PDF, you can see we have the proper question, we have the explanation of that question, and we have the correct answer, correct code for it. Similarly, in the SQL also, we have the proper question, we have the proper schema and the correct answer query for that particular question. Similarly, if I will open the common application MS cloud questions, so in that also we have the proper question, options and correct answer for it. So if you are preparing for Accenture exam, the best way is to by preparing by the previously asked questions only. So if you are interested, then the link of this material is in the description box, and there is a discount of 20% for first 100 students. Okay, so the link you can find in the description box. Now let's continue with the video.
Okay, so guys, the next question is, we are given again three variables. There is P, there is Q, there is R. So P is equivalent to 9, Q is equivalent to 6, and R is equivalent to 10. So again, there are some bitwise operation that we are having. So if condition is that Q XOR P XOR R, so 9 XOR 6, 6 XOR 10, okay, is greater than R XOR Q. So R is 10, XOR Q. What is Q? It is 6. So let's just first solve it. So 9 XOR 6. So again, let's just write in the um, binary form 9. What is 9? So 1 double triple 0 1, I think. So this is 1, 2, 4, 8. No, this is the wrong representation of 9. I'm sorry. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the correct representation. What is 6? So 6 is 1, 1, 0. What is 10? 10 is 8 and 2. So 1, 0, 1, 0. It is 10. Okay, so this is the correct representation. We have to find the XOR. So in XOR we know that all the elements should be unique. So 1 XOR, first of all, see, 1 XOR 0 will give us 1, then 1 XOR again 0, it will give us 1 only. So this is 1. So again 0 XOR 1 will give us 1, 1 XOR 0 XOR 1 XOR 1, it will give us zeros or yeah, zeros or 1 will give us 1, ones or 1 will give us 1 only, or 0. So 0s or 1 will give us 1, so 1s or 0 will give us 1, 1s or 0 will give us 1, 1s or 0 will give us 0. Okay, so 0 1 1. So this is what 0 1 0, what does it represent? This represents 5. So this value will come as 5. Okay, just let me just quickly erase it. So this value will come as 5. Okay, then 10 tens or 6. So 10 is 1010. Okay, 6 is 1100. So 000 is 110. So this is also 0 1 zor is 1, 1 zor 1 is 1. Okay, so this is giving us what it is giving us. This is given at, I think, 10. No, 10. It is not 10, it is 12. So yeah, it is 12. So 12 is giving. So 5 is, sorry, so this is giving us 12. So 5 is greater than 12, so this condition is wrong, so this if condition will not run. Okay, so end if we will go. So next if condition now we have to check. Okay, so next if condition, let's just check quickly. So next if condition is, what is Q? So 6 XOR 6 XOR 8, okay, is greater than P XOR, that is 9 XOR 4. So 6 XOR 6 we all know it is 0. So 0 XOR 8. 0 XOR 8 will give us 8. So 8 is greater than 9 XOR 4. So 9 XOR 4, let's just calculate quickly. So what does 9 represent? 1001. 4 represents 1000. Okay, this is the XOR, this is 1, this is 0. Okay, I hope you know what is XOR. So if there are two different elements, then we get 1. Otherwise, if there are two same elements, we get 0. So 1 XOR 1 is this. So this is 12, 13. So 13. So 8 is greater than 13. So answer is no. So this is also coming as 13. So 8 is greater than 13. So answer is no. So this condition will also not run. So in the end, we just have to return P plus Q plus R. So P plus Q is 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 25. So answer is 25 for this particular pseudocode. So I hope this particular pseudocode is also clear to you. Okay, so now let's move towards the next pseudocode, that is pp. Again we are given the format pp, qq and rr. Okay, so pp is 1, rr is 2, oh sorry, rr is 8, sorry, rr is 8, qq is 2. Okay, yeah. So first you have to check is this if condition. So if 5 plus 8 is less than 7 plus qq, so 5 plus 8 is 13, so 13 is less than 7 plus qq, that is 9. Oh sorry, 7 plus 2, that is 9. So 13 is less than 9, it is no. So this if condition will not run. So this entire if block will not run, because this 5 plus 8 is 7 plus qq. So 5 plus 8 is not less than, so this entire if block will not run. Else condition will run. So then again in that else condition also there is one if condition. So what is that if condition? So if condition is pp plus qq minus rr. So pp 1 plus qq2 minus rr, that is 8. 1 plus 2 minus 8 is less than rr plus pp. Rr is 8 plus pp, that is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So minus 5 is less than 9. So yes, this is true. So if this is true, then pp is equivalent to pp plus rr. So what is the current value of pp? It is 1 plus rr. It is 8. So now pp has become 9. So now the value of pp got updated to 9. Okay, so yeah, and if we are doing and if once we are doing, then we are doing rr is equal to pp and rr plus pp. Okay, so this is now again that bit masking thing. So if you are like finding this video useful, to do hit that like and subscribe button, because like see here in these particular pseudocodes, both addition and the bit masking operations are important. So we have updated the value of pp now, and if so this condition will run. So rr will now become pp, and so pp is now 9 and rr. So what is rr? 8. So 9 and 8 plus pp. So first pp is 9. So 9 and 8. So 1001. 8 is 100. So we are performing AND operation 0001. Okay, so 9 and 8 and operation is now 8 only. So 8 plus 9, what is 8 plus 9? It is 17. So now 17 has been updated to rr. So rr has now become 17. Okay, so we will add these two. So 11, 28. Okay, so 28 it is. Okay, so this is the final answer for this particular pseudocode. So I hope this pseudocode is also clear to you. Okay, so guys, in this particular question, you will learn something new, that is a precedence of logical operators. Okay, so we are having P is 8, Q is 4, R is 5. And guys, if you are finding this video useful and you want more such videos, do hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so yeah. So first of all, we are solving the if condition. If R plus Q is less than Q minus R, what is R plus Q? R plus Q is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, this less than q minus r. What is q minus r? 4 minus q, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Okay, or p is greater than q. So p is greater than q. So p is greater than q, that is 8 is greater than 4. So we will solve first this operation we will solve, then this operation we will solve, and then due to the precedence we will solve this entire thing. So 9 is less than minus 1, that is false, or 8 is greater than 4, that is true. So in the end, false or true we gives true only. Okay, so now this if condition is successful, then it means that we will go inside this if condition. Okay, so now once we go inside this if condition, then there is no and option, it is written. So q is equivalent to q and 8. What is 4 and 8, and r also. What is r? R is 5. So first of all, 4 and 8. So 4, let's just write 100. 8 8 just let write 100. So if you will see, it is 0 only. Okay, so it is 0 only because we are doing AND operation. So it means we are doing 0 and 5, and 0 anything and with 0 is 0 only. So now our q has become 0. So okay, so it has updated the value to 0. So yeah, and after this we are just adding p plus q plus r. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13 is your output. Okay, I hope this pseudocode is clear to you. Okay, any doubts you can write in the comment section. Okay, so guys, the last pseudocode for this video is, so we are given again, we are given a2, b6 and c5. So if condition we are given, this if condition we are given. Okay, so if a and 7 and b, so if a and 7 and b is greater than 6 and a, 6 and a. Okay, so this condition, first of all we have to check. So 2 and 7, first of all let's just write 2 and 7 and 6, let's just write quickly in the binary form. So 2 is 1 0, 7 will be 4 1 1 1, 6 will be 1 1 0. Yeah, 6 will be like this. So and operation we are doing. So any 0, that means it is 0 only. So 0 and 1 is 0 0 0 0 1. This is 1. This is 0 1 1. So 0 and 1 is 0 0 and 1 is 0. Okay, so this is 0. So this is giving us 2. Okay, so this here, this has now become 2. Okay, then we are doing 6 and 2. So 6 1 1 0, 2 is 1 0 0. Okay, so 6 and 2, so 0 1 0, it is giving us 2 only. So 6 and 2 gives us 6 and 2 gives us 2 only. So is 2 greater than 2? So answer is no. So this first if condition will not run. Okay, so let's just quickly subtract it. Okay, so in exam the time will be less, so you will have to by quickly do these things. Okay, so next moving towards if if the next if condition is if 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is 5. So is 5 less than 5 plus b? So 5 plus b is 6. So 5 is less than 11. So that is true. So it means the second if condition will run. So if the second if condition runs, first of all we are updating the value of b. So b now becomes b plus 3. B plus 3 is 6 plus 3 plus c is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, then we are updating the value of a is 9 and 10 plus c. What is the c value? C is 5. So first of all let's just calculate 9 and 10. So 9 becomes 1 1 sorry, 9 becomes 1 0 0 1, 10 becomes 1 0 1 0. Okay, so we are doing AND operation. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, so AND operation is now resulting in 8 only. Okay, so this is 8. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, so now we have updated the a value also. Now a value has been updated to 13 and b value has been updated to 14. And then we have to simply return the addition of these two numbers. 13 plus 14 is 27, 27 plus 5 is 32. So answer is 32. So I hope this code is also clear to you. So guys, this was all for this video.
Okay, so guys, again, I'm telling you that on our top mid page of Code Bashers, we have Accenture exam preparation material. In this particular material, all the topics which are coming in your Accenture exams are covered and previously asked actual questions are there. The best way to prepare is by solving the previously asked questions. If you are interested, the link of this material are in the description box. Do check them out. So guys, thank you for watching this video.